Good morning, my confident students. Today we'll start our second chapter of grammar, that is subject and predicate. So, let's have a look. Dear kids, let's study more about sentence. Every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. Every complete sentence holds two parts, that is a subject and a predicate. What is a subject? A subject is what or whom the sentence is about. Subject is what or whom the sentence is about. Sentence talks about the sentence, okay, while the predicate tells something about the subject. See, the two parts of the sentence, that is subject and predicate, are very important in sentence. Subject is what? It tells about the sentence. Okay, it tells about the sentence what it is talking about. And predicate tells something about the subject. Let's move to some examples. Now, let's see the example, kids. Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. In the above sentence, what Judy and her dog do? They run on the beach every morning. So, Judy and her dog is a subject. And what action they are doing? They run on the beach every morning. I will explain you more about subject and predicate through an example. Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. First find the verb and then make a question by placing who or what before it. See, what is a verb? Verb is an action word. And what is an action word in the above sentence? Run. Who is running? Let's question. Who is running? Dog and Judy. And for what? On the beach every morning. The answer is the subject. Judy and her dog. Who is doing an action? The Judy and her dog. Basically, subject is the door of an action. Subject tells what actions they are doing. Let's try one. We spilled popcorn on the floor. What is the verb of this sentence? Spilled. Who has done the action in the above sentence? We. Okay. So, the subject is we. Now, let's move to the second part of sentence, that is the predicate. The complete predicate includes all the words that tell what the subject of the sentence is or does. My kids, a complete predicate tells us what the subject does or the action that has been done by the subject. So, let's move to the example. Tim took 3 marbles from the pile. Basically, what is the subject? Who is doing an action? Tim. And what action does? He took the 3 marbles from the pile. The simple predicate is the main verb or verb phrase. My kids, simple predicates includes an action word. What will be the predicate in the above sentence? Took 3 marbles from the pile. Okay, my kids, can you find the predicate in each sentence below? If you have understood the predicate, what is predicate, you will easily identify what is the predicate in the above sentences. So, let's begin. My little brother broke his finger. So, my kids, let's identify the predicate. Yes, my little brother broke his finger. In this sentence, predicate is broke his finger. I'll tell you why. Because, as I have told you, predicate includes the action verb. word or verb. So, what action the little brother had done? He has broken his finger. So, predicate will be broke his finger. Let's move to the second sentence. His uncle Bob asked for the directions. Now, what will be the predicate? Yes, asked for the directions. What Uncle Bob is asking for? What action Uncle Bob is doing? He is asking for the directions. So, the predicate in the above sentence is asked for the directions. Let's move to the third sentence. Those soldiers carried guns. Yes, soldiers carried guns. Who carried guns? Soldiers. So the predicate in the above sentence is carried guns. Our babysitter arrived late. Now the predicate in the above sentence is arrived late. Now my kids, can you identify the subject as well? My little brother broke his finger. Yes, the subject is my little brother because subject is the door of the action. It means subject does an action. His uncle Bob asked for directions. So, his uncle Bob is a subject. Those soldiers carried guns. Those soldiers are the subject. Our babysitter arrived late. So, what will be the subject? Our babysitter. Thank you, my lovely kids. Hope the chapter is clear to you. Still, you face any difficulty, you may ask me. An assignment will be given to you related to the chapter. So, my kids, take care of yourself. Bye bye.